Welcome to this how-to guide from vwgenuineparts.co.uk. Just going to very quickly show you how to set the time clock on your Polo. There are basically two buttons at the bottom of your dashboard. The one on the left is the menu button, shown as two overlapping windows. And the one on the right is the setting button, which adjusts the time. Now press the left button and you'll see the hours start flashing. And then press the right hand button for each hour that you want the clock to advance. Press the left hand menu button again and you'll see the minutes start flashing, and again one press for each minute. Finally, press the menu button twice to confirm the setting. You can buy genuine Volkswagen parts online at vwgenuineparts.co.uk.